Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App cannot loading problem. Alright, let's begin. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to the Apps section. Search for Cash App and select it. Then go to Storage, where you will find the option to clear cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the loading issue. After clearing the cache, check if the problem is fixed. If it still doesn't load, try restarting your phone. You can also toggle your Wi-Fi off and on or switch airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. These steps often resolve minor network-related problems. If none of these work, you can try clearing app data. But be careful, clearing data will delete all the app's files, settings, accounts, and databases, which means you may lose your saved information. Only clear data as a last resort. These simple steps should help fix the Cash App loading problem quickly and easily. I hope this solves the issue you've been facing. So that's basically how you can fix Cash App cannot loading problem. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.